If you had told me 5 years ago that I would have a registered trademark, I would never believe you. Think about brands like Gucci, Fendi, and Louis Vuitton. What do they all have in common? Unique designs that set them apart. They're all established brands with registered trademarks. I'm Gabby, and this is So Quaint. Every week, I teach creative people like you something new. If you're into sewing, fashion, and business, but you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out. A trademark is a word, name, or symbol that distinguishes and sets apart products and services offered by a specific person or business. If you have unique, original designs, this video is for you. Having your trademark registered protects you from imposters who might try to replicate your designs and to go as far as even using your logo for branding. I'm sure you've all heard of knockoffs of brands like Clarks, Jordans, Prada. People are getting arrested and sued every day for selling counterfeit goods. The beautiful thing about trademarks is that they give you the power to take legal action against anyone who tries to replicate your designs. To register your trademark in Jamaica, you'd go to JIPO. That stands for Jamaica Intellectual Property Office. They are on the ground floor of the Jampro building. That's at 18 Trafalgar Road, Kingston, Jamaica. $20,000 is what I paid to register my trademark. And if you're thinking that's a lot, then here's a better way to look at it. You're gonna be paying this in 2 parts. The first part is due along with your application. The second part is due once your registration has gone through, everything has been finalized. That is 4 to 5 months after you filed your application. So if you file your application in April, then you will receive confirmation in August. That's when you'd come in with the final payment of $10,000. And there are up to 45 different categories that you can register your trademark under. So that could be shoes, bags, clothes, swimsuits. So if you're selling bags, but you also sell clothes and you want to register for both of those categories, then you will be required to pay $7,800 plus an additional $2,200. And then the other $10,000 becomes due when your registration goes through. Before recording this video, I actually made a phone call to JIPO and they told me that they'll be raising their fees as of March 25th. So whenever you're watching this video, I do recommend that you go to their website so that you can see their updated prices. Along with your application form, you have to provide a copy of your trademark. So that is the word or logo that you'll be using for your trademark. This should be something that's visible and placed on all your products. At the JIPO office, a preliminary search will be done to ensure that your intended trademark isn't close to or similar to any trademarks that already exist. Even though your registration process isn't complete until 4 to 5 months after your initial application, protection starts on the same day. You are protected all over Jamaica or whatever country it is that you register your trademark for. But as of March 27th, JIPO will be introducing a new system where they allow you to include other countries for your trademark. If you choose to also be protected in the United States, in China, in Japan, or anywhere in Europe or Africa, then that's something that you can add to your registered trademark at an additional cost. Trademarks last for as long as 10 years. Once your trademark expires, you can renew it again for another decade each time. I've linked the JIPO website down below in my description so you can go and get yourself some more information. Many things may have changed by the time that you are watching this video, so definitely do your own research and get on top of it. The next step after watching this video is going to register your trademark. You honestly should not be wasting any time. Think about it. All you need is $10,000 to get started. Watch this video next for information on registering your business in Jamaica, and watch this playlist for more business tips from So Quaint. Thanks for watching. Peace.